Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Eureka E10S, a versatile robot vacuum that promises to simplify your cleaning routine with its hybrid vacuum and mop capabilities. Let's see how it performs in real-world scenarios. Picture this. You've just finished a busy day, and instead of worrying about cleaning, you let the Eureka E10S take care of the dirty work. This robot vacuum combines convenience with technology to keep your floors looking pristine. First impressions matter, and the Eureka E10S doesn't disappoint. It boasts a sleek, modern design with a premium dark gray finish that's not only stylish but also durable. The compact size allows it to navigate under furniture with ease, although you might need to check clearance for lower items. Now, let's talk features. The E10S is equipped with a bag-less self-emptying dust station, a standout feature in its price range. This means no more dealing with messy vacuum bags. Simply dock the E10S, and it takes care of the rest. When it comes to suction power, the E10S offers a range of settings from gentle to turbo, accommodating different cleaning needs. It performs admirably on daily cleaning tasks, effortlessly picking up everyday debris like crumbs and pet hair. However, for deeper cleans or stubborn dirt, it might struggle a bit, requiring multiple passes. Moving on to mopping, the E10S integrates a mop pad that's handy for light spills and maintenance mopping. It's not meant for heavy-duty scrubbing, but it does a decent job keeping hard floors tidy between deep cleans. One of the highlights is its navigation system. Using advanced lidar technology, the E10S maps your home efficiently, navigating around obstacles and even finding its way back to the charging base without fuss. This smart mapping ensures thorough coverage of your living space. Controlling the E10S is a breeze with its user-friendly app. From scheduling cleaning sessions to adjusting suction power and mop water levels, the app puts you in complete control of your cleaning schedule. Noise can be a concern with vacuum cleaners, but the E10S manages to strike a balance. At lower suction levels, it operates quietly in the background, ideal for maintaining cleanliness without disrupting your daily activities. In terms of maintenance, regular upkeep is necessary, especially with the self-emptying mechanism. Occasionally, debris can accumulate, requiring manual intervention to ensure optimal performance. To sum up, the Eureka E10S is a reliable mid-range robot vacuum that excels in day-to-day cleaning tasks. It's perfect for busy households looking to maintain cleanliness effortlessly. While it may not replace your traditional vacuum entirely, it certainly lightens the load, offering convenience and efficiency at an accessible price point. And that concludes our review of the Eureka E10S. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.